Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically listen to white noise while listening to your music on your phone, or if you just want to listen to white noise like I do a lot. But you're going to go to settings here and you're going to select control center first. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to add the hearing one. Go to your control center. So I just dragged like the control center from the right side of my phone. Then I'm going to select this hearing button here. Then go to the background sounds and you're going to enable it. You can adjust the volume here, and you can also select which noise you want. There's dark noise, ocean, rain, stream. I like dark noise the best. That's why I have it on and the rest is still downloading. But that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.